Need tool hire on site, but you don't want to invest in the kit because you'll only use it once? At RMD Profiles, our tool hire service gives you access to the right equipment without the expense of owning it. Whether you're one of our decking clients or not, we offer tool hire across the UK. From industry levels tools to compatible fixings we can sell you. We've got everything you need to keep your project moving. All our equipment is fully tested, serviced and ready to go. No guesswork, no downtime, just reliable gear that works the first time. Need a hand getting started? Our team can guide you through setup and safe operation so you get the most out of your hire. No fuss. We'll even visit site and train your operatives. You can hire tools for deck installs, hire stud rig units and our team to stud weld. We can sell you the appropriate fixings. Our team can visit site and erect safety nets on short-term or long-term hire. We'll help you choose the right kit for the project if you're fitting it. And when you're done, just give us a shout. We'll arrange collection to get the tools off site quickly. No storage, no clutter, no complications. Need tools? Need it all handled in one call? Contact us today. We'll deliver the kit, the support and the service to keep your project moving. RMD Profiles Tool Hire. Ready when you are.